In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download WPS Office in Windows. WPS Office is a lightweight, full-featured Office suite that includes tools for documents, spreadsheets, and presentations. I'll walk you through getting it on a Windows 11 computer from the official source so everything is safe and straightforward. Start by opening your preferred web browser on your Windows 11 PC. In the address bar, go to the official WPS website at wps.com. Using the official site ensures you're downloading the genuine installer without unwanted extras. On the home page, look for the free download button. It's designed to detect you're on Windows and provide the correct installer automatically. Click free download and your browser will begin downloading the WPS Office installer. You can usually see the downloads progress at the bottom of your browser window. If you don't, check your downloads folder after a few moments. The file name will clearly indicate it's the WPS Office installer. Once the download finishes, open the installer. You can click it directly from the browser's download bar or open File Explorer, go to Downloads, and double-click the installer there. If Windows shows a permission prompt asking whether to allow this app to make changes to your device, click Yes. This is the standard user account control prompt that appears for trusted installers. When the setup window opens, take a moment to review the terms. You'll then see the option to install now. Click Install Now to begin. The installer may download a few additional components, so keep your internet connection stable and avoid closing the window. You'll see a progress indicator. Let it run until the installation completes. This can take a couple of minutes depending on your system and connection speed. When the process finishes, click Start Now. WPS Office will launch for the first time. You'll be prompted to sign in, or you can skip this step for now. Signing in can help you sync settings and access cloud features across devices, but if you just want to get started quickly, choose the option to continue without signing in. Either way, you'll land on the WPS Office home screen where you can create a new document, open a spreadsheet, or start a presentation right away. That's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed WPS Office on Windows 11 using the official installer. If you ever need to revisit the installer, you'll find it in your Downloads folder. But from here on out, you can launch WPS Office directly from your Start menu.